Good morning. This will be 4.2 Graphing Quadratics in Part 1, Vertex form. Now this is when your equation looks like this. This is the form of it. Y equals some number, A, times the quantity x minus some number h squared plus k. Now that looks and sounds very complicated. But let's look at an example. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to use the number that's where h is and where k is, and that actually gives us the point of our vertex. In the last lesson, you had to do some figuring to find that point. In this lesson, you're actually just going to pull information out of what's given to you. And we will find that our vertex is at the point h, k. So let's look at guided practice on page 246. We have number 1 as an example. Y equals the quantity x plus 2 squared minus 3. So we look for our h and our k. Now here's a very common mistake. This says minus h, and this says plus 2. If we want to know what that point is, it has to be what we're subtracting, minus h. Plus a positive is the same as minus a negative. Plus k, same thing, opportunity for mistake. So we find that h is negative 2 and k is negative 3. And there's the point of our vertex. Negative 2, negative 3. Now we simply do what we did yesterday again. Whereas we make this little table, easiest way to do this, we're going to put in some x's into this function. We're going to see what y's come out. So it's some number plus 2 minus 3. It's some number plus 2 minus 3. And let's pick easy numbers. We want them both on the same side of this point, so let's pick negative 1 and 0. These are easy numbers to do math with. Let's not forget to square this. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Squared is 1. Minus 3 is negative 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Squared is 4. Minus 3 is 1. And so we've found 2 more points. We've found the point negative 1 comma negative 2. And we've found the point 0 comma 1. Now we can graph it. We come back over here, we graph the point 0 comma 1. We graph the point negative 1 comma negative 2. We find this side of our parabola. Again, our axis of symmetry is where the vertex is. And so we just mirror this point to the other side. We just mirror this. And there we've graphed another parabola using the vertex form of the equation that looks like this. It's going to be tricky recognizing these and knowing the names of them, but more importantly is just knowing what to do when you see it. Again, welcome to Rewind and Look Again.